Here is the Subaru Forester. Let's go ahead and get started. The light's over there. To access it, we have to first open up the hatch. Now it's the exact same process for the left and right side. I'm just going to show you on the right side. You will need a small flathead screwdriver to put it right in that small slot over there and then pry this cover off. Once it comes off a little bit like this, just grab it and then pull it out the rest of the way and out it comes. Now set it aside. That's the bulb holder right there. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it and out it comes. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 921. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself and then push it down back in the bulb holder to secure it. And when you put it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in like this. Good. Alright, now just twist your right to lock it and you're done. Now let's put this cover in. See this side with the slot, it goes in the way I'm showing. Put the other side in first and this side with the slot, press it down and now the cover is secure and that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.